If you're wholesaling real estate, then you know that generating motivated seller leads is very important. If you cannot generate motivated seller leads, then you simply don't have a business. In my business, we close multiple deals every single month. We get a decent amount of deals through free marketing. If you have ever wondered how to generate motivated seller leads for free, this is the video for you. These are not going to be in any order, but I want to start first with using Craigslist. A lot of you might laugh and say, Craigslist? Is that even around still? The truth is, yes, Craigslist is still around. And if you learn how to use Craigslist the right way, you can generate a very decent amount of deal flow using Craigslist. In my business, we're probably closing 1 to 2 deals from Craigslist every quarter of the year, which isn't much. But if you don't have money, you can use Craigslist to start generating leads for free. Now, obviously, Craigslist has started charging for posts, but you can still put posts in certain categories that are still free. And there are still people that are in those categories looking that might have houses that they would need to sell quickly for cash. Our next method is going to be using Facebook groups. Now, using Facebook groups is a really strong method. We actually close anywhere from maybe 1 to 2 deals every month by using Facebook groups. And it's a really simple process. All you do is you go add yourself into a bunch of different yard sale groups in the target market that you want to start looking for houses to buy in. And you just start posting in there that you're looking to buy a few houses within the next 30 to 60 days. If you have anything that you would like to sell, reach out to me. A very effective method to generate leads. Yes, you're going to want to do this consistently. You're not going to get results right away, which you possibly could, but it's not likely. You're going to want to stay consistent and continue to post. As you continue to post, your posts are going to get more familiar with the Facebook algorithm, and you're going to start generating leads right in your Facebook DM messages. Now, the next method is a very effective method, and it's generating leads by targeting the tax delinquent list. Now, this list, you can find it by going to your county's tax assessor's office. Generating tax delinquent leads is a very, very good type of lead. These type of leads are responsible for about 30% of our business. Now, when you're going after tax delinquent leads, keep in mind that the owners owe back taxes to the county. The owners might only have 30 to 60 days left to redeem that property or to fix the problem of owing back taxes before they lose it. So you can see why there's a lot of motivation behind homeowners who are on the tax delinquent list. Now, keep in mind that some counties will charge 10, 20, some might charge $100 for the list, but for the most part, most counties are going to charge nothing for that list. It's just going to be one of those things you're going to have to check with your county. As of right now in our business, we actually get our tax delinquent leads through a website. And if you want to know exactly where we get those, go to the description. You can find the link to the company that we're using. I really love tax delinquent leads. However, definitely consider looking into tax delinquent leads if you want to start finding really motivated leads. The next thing that you can do is forming relationships with real estate agents. Now, I'm actually a licensed real estate agent. I love building relationships with other wholesalers because they bring me deals, I bring them deals, they bring me buyers, and then I can bring them buyers. Having a real estate agent on your team is just a really good idea. In some states, you can actually use the real estate agent to help you list the property on the MLS as a cash deal. So I suggest 100% going out, putting as many real estate agents that want to work with you on your buyer's list and start getting referrals from them. Guys, I actually wrote an article on finding motivated seller leads for free. If you want to get your hands on that article, go to the link in the description. You will find the article and my website there. I appreciate everything. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to learn how to start wholesaling houses and land and you need one-on-one coaching, you can text me here. I have over 200 students. I have helped dozens upon dozens of people learn how to start wholesaling houses and land.